What's going on, guys? GeoSnow right here. Welcome to Mode My Eye. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install IPA applications directly on your device without having a computer, and we're going to do that with a new tool called App Installer that unfortunately you need to deploy using the computer at first. So what this does is once you install it from the computer, it would allow you then to install any IPAs from the device directly without having to switch to the computer every time you need an IPA. So the tool is available here on GitHub, and it was created by Snowchild and a couple other developers like NoPixel and Apple Betas. And it has a couple issues for the moment, so I assume it's somehow a beta. And you can download the IPA and install it on the device, as I said, with a CDI Impactor. And this works on both jailbroken and non-jailbroken devices. Although on jailbroken devices, if combined with AppSync, you have a couple more benefits, it's not going to make the application only last 7 days if on jailbroken device. But if not, if you're on a stock device that is not jailbroken, for example on iOS 10.3.2, 10.3.1 and so on, you will be able to deploy IPAs normally as you would do with CDI Impactor, but from the device. Looks like this. You can check out our Mode My Eye article in here if you want to learn more about the problems that might appear and so on. And the good thing about this is that it's not requiring you to buy that Apple, $100 certificate for being a developer, and it's also not illegal. So let's get into it. I have already downloaded the IPA here from GitHub. The link is in the description down below, and let's deploy it. For those who do not know how to deploy it, you get the IPA, you connect the device using the USB cable, make sure it's unlocked, which is mandatory, and it's going to show up in CDI Impactor like this. My device is called Snowy, and you drag the application, drop it in here. Sometimes it might fail, it's a bug in the CDI Impactor, but if you try again, it's going to get it. Then you need to sign in with your Apple ID and password, which I'm going to do. Yeah, so once you are signed in, you're going to be able to deploy it directly to the device like this. It's going to do it automatically, and you should be able to see it on your screen in a couple seconds after it's verified. Okay, complete. Let's switch to the device. Alright, so I'm on the device, and this device is jailbroken. I mean, it works with Yalu Dark and Yalu 102 since it's on iOS 10.1.1, but the jailbreak is not activated because I want to test this without the jailbreak. So you can see that CDI doesn't open, so I'm not jailbroken currently. Now on the jailbroken state, as I said, it's the same thing, but combined with the AppSync Unified, which is only available on a jailbroken device, you can make the application not to expire every 7 days. On a non-jailbroken device, you do have this limitation. Anyways, this is the app installer in here. The interface is quite simple, yet it's easy to use. So now we just need an IPA. In order to do that, I have an IPA that I already prepared, which is the IPA for Miriam, an application that I made, and it's available on GitHub just to test this app. So I'm going to copy the URL from here, select all, copy. This is what you need to do. You need to find the link for the IPA, and you can actually upload the IPA to your Dropbox or to your Google Drive or to whatever file sharing website in order to have your IPAs in there and access them from the device or find them directly. And I'm going to go here into the app installer and paste the link to the IPA. That's pretty much what I need to do. It's quite simple to use it. So like this. Okay, so it says installing, and it's going to tell you this, success, ready to install, but even if you press install in here, this is how it would normally work. You press install, and it's going to try to install the thing, but the application is currently broken, and it says waiting in here. It tries to install, but then it gives you this, unable to download the app. App installer could not be installed at this time. So yeah, you can retry, but it's going to give you the same error, and the problem is already known by developers, so probably they're going to try to fix it. You can see it gives that again, so if you click done, it's going to delete the app. But anyways, it's a very nice initiative, and keep an eye on this project if you're interested into it. It's 90% done. They just have to fix that error and they will be good to go. So yeah, app installer, link in the description. Till the next time, thanks for watching. I've been GeoSnow for Mode My Eye. Peace out.